Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn how to integrate the Braintree in the Node.js. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. Okay, so let me open any of my Node.js project. So let's go and check. We have HTML, we have Node.js, Node. We have Node.js tutorial also. Let me get a YouTube. No, we will top Node.js. No, this will not going to use. Let's create a new folder which is for the Braintree, right? Braintree. Let's open this. Open in the terminal. NVM use 20. I'm going to use Node 20 version. Okay, so let's go with npm init hyphen y. Open the code. Okay, so let's open the code. The code is open. Let's create the files. First, we create the app.js. Where we have to create a new folder, that is views. Here in the views we require the file index.egs. We require in the views, that is success.egs. We require error.egs. Okay, so let's add the code. So first of all we have to go with our index. So this is our index code. So let me shift this. Let's paste it in the index. I have pasted in the error, sorry, it's in the index. Okay, let's move to the next. This is for the success, so let's add this also. Here we go with the success page. Okay, and let's go to the error page also. So here we have the error page. Okay, so let me X this and let's paste it over here in the error.egs. Control V. So this is error page, right? This is done. The main code, that is app.js. Okay, let me copy this full-fledged. Okay, control X. Let's go and add it into our app.js file. Okay, and whatever we have a commented code, let's remove this one. Okay, everything is sorted. Yes, let's install the packages that we require express. So let's go to the terminal. npm I express. What else we require? That is body parser and the Braintree codes also. Codes, and what else we require? That is Braintree. So let's add it, this one. So this is added. Okay, if I just run the command over here like node app.js and enter, it's running on the 4000 port. Let's go and check this one. Localhost, that is 4000. Okay, EGS, that's missing, so let's go and add the npm I EGS for the templating. Okay, let's run, go and check. Welcome to the payment gateway example. Let's go with pay. Why it's saying something error in the checkout issue? Drop in mess, there was error creating the drop in webhook. Drop in error, client invalid authorization. Authorization is invalid. Make sure the client token and tokenization key is valid. Okay, let me go and check this one keys, or I'm going to create a new one. So let's go and create this one. Close, sign up. Let's create the account. So I will add my name, Rajnikant. Chaudhary. Company name, technical version. United States, make it India. Okay, email address. I required Magento developer. Magento developer 1993 at the rate gmail.com. Magento developer. Try the sandbox. So it will send me the email, right? Let me check what exactly the email is. So let me log in and check. Mail. So here we go. We're trying to log in with my email. So what the email they are sending? That is technical Rajni. Any email I get in, that is support Braintree. Okay, let me complete my sandbox account. So full name, username I need to add Rajni 88 or 99 I will put 99. Password I need to add my password over here. Okay, then login. Okay, so I get my credentials, merchant ID. So I'm going to copy this merchant ID and I'm going to paste it into our project. So word wrap this. So here we have a merchant ID. We have a public key. Then we need to add our private key also. So here we have the private keys. Okay, so let's add this and save it and let's run it. Okay, so here we have the Braintree example. Let's reload. And now you can see again there is a error in creating that one. So might be there is an issue in our client invalid authorization is invalid. Make sure the client token and the tokenization key is valid. Okay, let me check what exactly they have been using. So there is a get render index. Let me check that the client token is there or not. What's the issue in that? I think the issue with the client ID I need to cross verify. So network, when I try to hit the client token, what happened? And the response, okay, I think there is might slightly issue might be. I think I need to comment this one and I to open this one and comment this one because I'm going to send the response with this, not the JSON. Saving this, there is a issue with the. I think everything is correct. This one, let's reload this one, and here we have the Braintree code right now. Okay, so adding the card number 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. This is test card, right? So 12 20 24. Let's go with the pay, and here we go with this payment screen. Success, transaction ID and the amount. Okay, let's go and check in the Braintree. So here we have the Braintree, right? So I have logged in already, right? Where we have logged in. Okay, this is the tree, right? Transactions. Let's go and top, just move a search. So here we received the one transaction with this ID, right? And let's have a look into that one. This is that ID 8J and this is 8J, same for the sale payment with this card. Let's move all the details you want to fetch. You can fetch that details, right? So here you can see that credit card and everything information is locked over here. Okay, so payment is done, right? So let's dive into the code level how we are going to achieve this one. Okay, so be careful with the code because everybody asking for me that please upload the GitHub and everything. So if let's check it out. Okay, so here we have a step-by-step code. So this is the API part. So require express body parser Braintree path Then we have a initialization with express codes for the, I think I'm using for the React application for this code. So you will have to add the codes. Okay, then EGS path you need to set. Then we are using the middleware for accepting the post request. Okay, now we have to initialize the gateway. Initialize Braintree gateway like this. We require the environment, that is the sandbox or production, merchant ID, public key, and the private key. Okay. Next we have the another one, that is index. So first of all we have to render the index file, so which we have the pay button. Okay. And then we are going to create a client token to initialize the client SDK. Okay. After this it will give you the token, so you need to send this client token. Okay, then we have a most important, that is checkout. So here we require the amount, payment nonce, that will going to be from the client side, so I'm going to get it from my client side, that is the index file. Okay, so settlement, that is going to be true, and the transaction for the sale request, if error then it will go to the error part, else it is a success, then I'm going to find the transaction ID and I'm going to send the transaction. Okay, and if something goes wrong, it will going to render my error with result dot message. Okay, and the last, on which port it is listening, or start the server. Correct. So this is a full-fledged Node.js code. See it carefully. Okay, after this we have to create a three files for the error, index, and the success. Another main file, that is index.egs. Okay, so let's go and check each and everything over here. So this is form where we are calling the checkout API slash checkout, right? This is the post one. Okay. When click on the pay submit, what will happen? We have to include the script Braintree. Okay. So what we are going to get the checkout form element ID and the client token by default empty. So here we are hitting the client token. So once we get the client token response dot text, then here we are going to drop in dot create. So here we are creating, there is a Braintree drop in method to create. Here we require the client token and the container, that is drop in. Okay, after this after the submit, what we are going to create a nonce for that one. Okay, so here we are getting the nonce, and this nonce we are going to send in the checkout API. So here we can see that while doing the submit, so here we are going for the checkout. So when do the form submission, right, checkout, here we require the nonce, which we are sending this one in the hidden part, payment method nonce. Okay, add the payment method nonce to the form data. So this is how we are going to add the payment nonce into our form. Then it will go to the check, and then it will, when I enter the card details and click on the pay button, this payment nonce will go into my checkout API, and here it will do the transaction. Okay, then submit the form. Okay, if something goes wrong, it will go to the error block. Okay, so this is the code for, first we are doing the client token. First we get that client token. Okay, after the client authorization token, you are able to get the card details, right? The card name or month or expiry date, you will get this one. After this you will also get this payment nonce, so you need to send this payment nonce into our checkout API. Okay, so here we are, this part is just basically for add the payment method nonce to the form data. Okay, after adding this, when I click on the pay, then there is checkout API to call. In the checkout API call, you can see that we require the nonce over here. Here you can see that in the checkout we required from the body payment nonce. Okay, so from the client we will get it, and then we will do the transaction sale part. Okay, and on the behalf of it we are going to render the success page or the error page. Okay, so this is how we are able to integrate the Braintree in the Node.js. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. In the next video we are going to learn do with the integration with React and the Node.js. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.